Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable all in-app sounds in Facebook Messenger. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, navigate to the lower right corner of your screen where you'll see the menu icon. Go ahead and click on it to open up your main navigation options. This is your gateway to all of Messenger's important settings and features. Once the menu opens, you'll see several options listed. Look for the one labeled Settings and click on it. This will take you into the main configuration area where you can customize how Messenger works for you, including controlling all the sounds and notifications you receive. Now, within the settings menu, you'll need to locate and click on Notifications and Sounds. This section is specifically designed to help you manage how Messenger alerts you to new messages and other activities. It's where all the sound and notification controls are centralized, making it easy to adjust your audio preferences. After clicking into Notifications and Sounds, you'll want to scroll down until you find the Notification Preference section. This is an important area because it contains all the detailed controls for how you're notified about different types of activities within the app. Take a moment to look through this section carefully. Inside the Notification Preference section, you'll see an option called In-App Sounds. This is the feature that controls all the audio feedback you hear while actively using Messenger, like the sounds when you send or receive messages or when other actions occur within the app. If you find these sounds distracting or simply prefer a quieter experience, this is what you need to adjust. Next to in-app sounds, you'll notice a toggle button. Click on this toggle to turn it off. Once you do this, all those sounds that play while you're using the app will be disabled immediately. This means you can continue using Messenger without any audio interruptions, creating a more peaceful and focused messaging experience. And that's it. You've successfully disabled all in-app sounds in Facebook Messenger, giving you complete control over your audio experience. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.